Yes, because have you joined? Share your screen. Join and share. Open your laptop. I shared one link on WhatsApp. That is how to download Tableau. That is a link to download Tableau. Now see, after clicking on that link, you will reach on this site. Everybody reached quickly. Wait. Scroll down. Enter the details. You're not in the group. After the class, ask them to add. Now message me. I'll forward you the things. You have my number? Message. Student. Now, after entering all the details, this green panel is coming. In that, you have to click on Windows. Click on that Windows. After clicking on Windows, your download will start. Done? Send a message to me. Once it is downloaded, click on that. Now this window is coming. Welcome to Tableau. Click on the first checkbox. I have read and accept the terms and condition. डाउनलोड पे क्लिक किया था आपने? इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा आपका. क्लिक ऑन इंस्टॉल. Why it's taking time? Windows 15. कौन सा इंटरनेट सेलेक्ट किया आपने? जैसे 2G हो गया कनेक्ट तो इतना 5G को सेलेक्ट कीजिए. Done? It should automatically open now. Skip this update. So in this way we have installed. Done? Windows 50. Now is there anyone who is lagging behind? Everybody installed? Yes? Not installed? Install. Installing. ये किया ना यहाँ पे देखो. Unverified download blocked. Allow करना है उसको. Download unverified. Download. You can stop sharing now. Now I will share my screen. Hope my screen is visible, everyone. Online people.
Yes, sir.
So, can I start? Is there anyone who is still downloading? Downloaded? Not downloaded. Why? Network is slow. Download afterwards. क्लिक करो उस पे नहीं करना है. इंस्टॉल करो. यस करो. बस. So see, how many of you are done with Power BI from this class? Power BI completed person. So most of you are done with that. So it is not compulsory that you should complete a Power BI or something. I'll just ask you. So the thing is, why we are learning this visualization tools? Why Power BI? Why Tableau? Okay. Now see everyone, the time few 20 years back, let us suppose. Okay. 10 years back, 20 years back, we used to use some landline phones. So no. Then we got some Nokia small mobile button. Yes. So at that time that was sufficient technology. Yes or no? But nowadays we are using this touchscreen mobiles. And phones were used by our elders at that time. Now phones are used by even a small child also. Yes or no? Everyone is using. But as compared to that time, those phones were very easy to use. These are complicated one, but still small child is able to use. Yes or no? At that time, the technology was sufficient for that particular scenario. But right now, we cannot go or we cannot be happy or working with that things. Yes or no? Similarly, in the initial stage, we were happy with Excel, whatever working. Till today, like some startups, they are okay with that because they don't have that much data required. Now, let us suppose nowadays also you might see some people they are using small mobiles. Yes or no? Some village people, grandparents, and all they are still using that small. For them, it is okay with that. Yes or no? But for us, for a new generation, it is not okay because we have different requirements, different things to do. Yes or no? So the Tableau is meant for visualizing the data and large data. As we can visualize large data and as Tableau is scalable, we can visualize the small data also. That is not a problem. So when you have a truck, when you can transport 1000 kgs and the truck is all yours, so now it's your choice. I want to transport 10 kg or 1000 kg in that truck. It's my choice, right? Yes or no? So that is known as scalable. So we are learning Tableau because of some aspects which are there. Few more advanced charts are present. The charts which are not even present that we can make in the Tableau. Not even present means the options which are not present. For example, few options are there. Those are not present in Tableau, present in Power BI. But the one who has command on Tableau, according to his requirement, he can make the visibility of that kind of chart. Getting it? So all these things you are going to see in the course in upcoming classes. So let us start with reading this content. Yes, you read it.
Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool used in the field of business intelligence. It helps users create a variety of charts, graphs, maps, dashboards, and store to make data understandable and actionable.
So we can make charts, graphs, maps, dashboards. Now we will make charts and graph. When we will combine them all together at one place, so that place is known as dashboard. Okay. Now multiple charts or dashboards where we can store at in one particular sequence like slide show, like we do in PowerPoint presentation. Like that, if I do dashboard presentation, let us suppose multiple charts are there. Okay, combining those chart, I can make one dashboard. Now keeping multiple dashboard one by one in sequence, that I can do using stories. So these two are options present in Tableau. Let me show you. For example, so see, I am able to Just a second, let it load. I can use this PowerPoint presentation kind of symbol which is there, which is known as slideshow. So I can click one by one, it is going on the next. Yes. So this area is known as story. Okay. And this is dashboard. Multiple charts are present at one place. So this is a dashboard. These are all charts present there. Okay. Using the charts at one place is known as dashboard, and combining the charts and dashboard at one place is story point. That we are going to see. First, we will be expertise in how to make charts, different concepts in the Tableau, and then we'll go and see how to make the dashboards and all. So here are some features. Now these features we are going to read, and then after this we are going to understand what is the difference between Tableau desktop and Tableau public. So at that time again these features will repeat, but there will be slightly difference in the features. For example, it is similar to like a app which is free to use, and paid version of that app is also present. Getting it? Like YouTube, free is also there, premium is also there, right? So YouTube free one is little bit less options are present. Premium will have some more content, different content. Getting it? Similarly here, those extra things will be there, but these are general aspects which are present in both. Getting it? So one by one we are going to read, we are going to understand. Yes, because read.
Here are some key features and aspects of Tableau. Data visualization. Tableau in converting raw data into visually appealing and interactive dashboard. User can easily create visualization by dragging and dropping elements onto a canvas. Easy of use. Ease of use. With its intuitive interface, Tableau allows users with little to no technical skill to create complex visualization. It provides a drag and drop functionality that simplifies the process of data analysis. Data connectivity. Tableau can connect to a wide range of data sources, including database like MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, cloud serving like Google Analytics, AWS, spreadsheet like Excel and VBA. Interactive dashboard. Tableau dashboard are highly interactive and allow user to drill down into data, filter, view, and interact with visual elements for a deeper understanding of the underlying data.
So I'm sharing one data set. Please download the dataset which I shared. Downloaded. Now open Tableau. You might be having this icon on the Tableau on your desktop. Okay, click on that icon. Are getting similar page? Yes or no? Everybody? No replies. Getting right? And right now, what file I have shared? Excel file. Yes. So these are options where we can connect. See, more options. This many options are present to connect. More than 100 options are present. Which means what? Data connectivity. Wide range of data sources. Means what? Right now in market you can see flex engines are coming for vehicle. You can connect with CNG, petrol. Yes. Whatever fuel is available, you connect that. Means you put that in your vehicle and you can drive it. Similarly, wherever is your data present, from there you can connect itself. Because if that option is not present for connecting the data, what will be the problem? You have to download it, convert it into whatever Tableau supports, then connect to the Tableau. Yes. So this step is increasing if these options are not present for the Tableau. As these options are present, then we can easily connect it wherever it is. Cloud platforms, our MySQL servers. Yes. Now in this case, what we are connecting? Excel. Let us suppose I connected this sample superstores. Okay. So we're getting this options: orders, people, returns. These are three sheets present inside this Excel file. See here, orders, people, returns. These three sheets are present in the Excel file. What I want is orders. Now, what are the column names? Order ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, region, city, state, postal code. Okay. Product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, profit. These are all columns present there. So when I drag and drop this orders, I have to drag and drop it here. Done. Done, everybody. That's what happened. Now see, here you can see all this column names. Yes. Now Tableau allows drag and drop feature, means as soon as you took the orders, you can see all that names here present. These are all column names present in my data set. Now Tableau automatically segregated into two parts. These are all having distinct value. These are all having numeric values. Here these are discrete values. Okay. Discrete value means something spellings, like category has the spelling customers, not customers, furniture, technology, and office supplies. These are three categories present in the data set. So these are having the names, whereas the sales, discount, quantity, profit, these are having numbers. Okay. So as soon as you connect, this partition is created here. These are green, these are blue. See, these are all blue. These are green. So green will stand for numeric ones. Okay. Understanding, everybody? Now, what was the line present here? Drag and drop feature easily. As soon as you drag and drop, let us suppose category, three categories are present and sales. So my chart has created only drag and drop. आगे ना ऑर्डर्स, उसको शीट 1 पे क्लिक करना है यहाँ पे नीचे. Okay. We'll understand what is the meaning of this drag and drop. Means why I am putting this in the column, why I am putting in the row, what is meaning of this blue green. I just dragged and drop. You also drag and drop the same thing. So it is very simple, right? If I try to do the same thing, try to create a column chart or bar chart in the Excel, it will take me minimum 10 steps. Yes, I have to make it into the table, pivot table, then I have to go for the pivot chart, then I have to select the fields, then I have to select the chart name. Getting it? But here I am just dragging and dropping, and my chart, relevant chart, is getting created automatically. So here what they are telling, you don't have to be very much technically strong in this. A non-technical person also can make it. But as we are a data analyst, we are learning Python, SQL, and all those things. We are technically good. So for us, it is more easier. Getting it, everybody? Dashboard, just now I told you how it looked like. Again, in depth, we are going to see. Yes, you read.
Real-time data. Tableau can handle a real-time data feeds, making it useful for dynamic data analysis and monitoring key performance indicators in real time. Advanced analytics. It supports advanced analytics with features such as trend lines, forecasting, and statistical analysis. Users can also integrate Tableau with programming languages like R and Python for more complex data analysis, collaboration, and sharing. Tableau provides tools for sharing visualizations and dashboards with others. Tableau Server and Tableau Online allow users to publish dashboards to a central location where others can access and interact with them. Customization. Users can customize the look and feel of their visualizations to align with their brand or specific needs. This includes suggesting colors, fonts, and layout. Scalability. Tableau can handle large datasets and complex data models, making it suitable for organizations of all sizes, from small business to large enterprises.
Now, everybody, as from Amazon, Google, we continuously keep on giving orders, canceling them, getting delivered, returning it. Yes or no? So continuously data need to be added in the, or the sheets need to be updated. Yes. If I connect this data, now new data is getting added from the website itself direct to my data set. And from my data set directly it should be visible in my charts. Today's sales, it is going up or down. Yes, according to the data, everything should be currently visible. This is what real-time data is telling us. Okay. If in the normal way, if I try to do this, for example, let me connect, add Excel file. Let me connect the another data source, dummy data. Let me correct. I will clear this sheet and remove this orders. Now I'm adding this sheet 1 from the dummy data. So this dummy data is having these names. How many names are there right now? 16 names are there. Okay. So in this, no name is there which is starting from V. So let me enter the name Vikas in the dummy data. Is there any name right now? Vikas is not there, right? These all 16 names are visible there. Okay. So I am entering 17 Vikas 99 99 99. Okay. Now after adding this control S, I am closing this file. Okay. Now still it is 16. Yes. I am going to the sheet 1. I am putting this serial number and student name. Okay. Serial number, student name. Serial number are till 16 student names. Okay. But still Vikas is not visible. Then I'll go to the worksheet, data, and click on refresh. Now you can see Vikas is present. So now in this way we are doing the refresh and the data is visible. But when we are connecting online, we need to do the refresh. The data will come automatically. Everything will be set. Getting it, everybody? Here, as we have just connected the data source, a simple refresh is required. The data will get updated. Any doubt, anyone? Clear? Just try. I open the Excel data. I added one entry there. First, you connect the data set. See what all things are visible. Then add the data one more and close the file, Excel file.
ये मैंने ट्राई किया था उसमें अगर डिलीट करके करना पड़ेगा किसी को
ये ऐसे ट्राई कर बाहर कीजिए उसको उसको नहीं, वो ब्लू पार्ट को बाहर खींच दो उसको। बस। Done? How many of you have done? Raise your hands. Is there anyone wants help? Done? So let's compare. How many of you are done? Raise your hands. Okay, I'll wait for 2 more minutes. Add it in the Excel. So I said after adding in the Excel, save it and close it. Save. Okay. Then we can go inside the sheet. There you can see this data option. In the data you can see your global superstore. You can go here and refresh. Now it will be visible. How is visible? See. Yes.
We just add
Done? Yes, Vikas. Read this then. इसमें सीरियल नंबर लिया आपने उसमें? सीरियल नंबर को हटा दो, खाली स्टूडेंट नेम दिखाओ. स्टूडेंट नेम दिख रहा है अभी. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन इज serial number I have converted to discrete, means show me as unique value. What you have put, it is green color. Okay, serial number in the green color it will show the summation, in the blue color it will show you distinct values. Okay, so that part we have not learned today. Getting it? But still I am telling, clicking on the drop down you can see the discrete option present there. If you click on discrete you will see the unique numbers. Okay, we are going to learn when to do that, when not to do that. Now you can just only put the name of students and you can see all the names. See, Vikas is visible here. Understood everyone? Read this. Who will read? Samir? What's your name? Read it.
Tableau and Excel are both powerful tools used for data analysis and visualization, but they serve different purposes and have distinct features. Here a comparison highlighting their key differences. Purpose and use cases. Excel currently has spreadsheet application used for data entry, manipulation, and basic analysis. It is widely used for financial modeling, budgeting, and simple data visualizations. Tableau is a specialized data visualization and business intelligence tool designed for creating interactive and complex visualization. It excels at transforming large data sets into accountable, actionable.
So here we are going to see some difference between the Excel and Tableau. Okay. So Excel is mainly used for data entry, data manipulation. Okay. All the mechanical changes. Visualization only 10% at the end will do in the Excel, but more of the working with entering, changing the data, adding the columns and all those things. But in Tableau, opposite of that, 90% visualization, or you can say 80% visualization, 20% the small things. Entry will never do. We will just directly load the data because lot of data will be there. We are unable to enter. Getting it? But in Excel, we have different features. We can generate the data by dragging and doing things. We have by using the formulas and all. We can generate our own columns in the efficient ways. Okay. So Excel is used for most of the time data entry and manipulation. Visualization at the last. Okay, and limited number of visualizing options are there. As compared to Tableau, more options are there in Tableau for visualization and manipulation and all limited options are there. Getting it? Only as far as required, limited there are. But we can do more things in the visualization things. Okay. Then because
Data visualization itself offer basic charting capabilities such as bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and scatter plots, customization option and available. But they are more limited compared to specialized tools. Tableau provides advanced and highly interactive visualization, including grids map, grid map, uh, geographic map, and dashboard. It supports more complex visual representation and interactive feature. Data handling, Excel. Handle data within a visual spreadsheet and can manage moderately sized data sets. Performance can degrade with very large data sets. Tableau, designed to handle large and complex data sets efficiently, can connect to various data sources uh, simultaneously and process large volume of data without significant performance issues.
So Excel can handle the data, but if more large data sets if you are providing, it can lag. Okay, but Tableau doesn't do like that. It can handle the large data set. It will not have performance issues. Here also we have seen these two options. I already explained these two sentences. It has limited options. Tableau has more options. As what are the extra options present? Map, geographic map, dashboard. This kind of options are more present. In Excel, what we have done? We have created a dashboard visibility. Separate section was not there in the those who have completed Excel by me. We have just create a visibility of the dashboard in the Excel. Actually, it was not present. Okay, but in Tableau we have a separate section for dashboard. Getting it, everyone? Yes.
Data connectivity. Excel can connect to a variety of data sources such as dashboards, databases, web service, and other spreadsheets. However, the process can be less seamless compared to Tableau. Tableau offers robust data connectivity options. It can connect to numerous data sources, including SQL database, cloud service, big data platforms, and more. Tableau provides real-time data connectivity and integrations. Usability. Excel, known for its easy of use for basic data tasks, most professionals are familiar with its interface and functionalities. It is versatile for various non-visual data tasks like calculations, pivot tables, and data cleaning. Tableau, designed with a focus on user-friendly data visualization. It is a drag and drop interface allows users to create complex visualizations with the minimal technical skills. However, it is less suitable for detailed data manipulation tasks that Excel handles well.
So these are self-explanatory sentences. Okay. Practically, we will see this tomorrow. Read this.
Complex advanced analytics. Excel supports basic statistical analysis and can perform more complex calculations using built-in formulas and functions. Advanced analytical often require add-ins or external tools. Tableau includes built-in advanced analytical features such as trend analysis, forecasting, and clustering. It can integrate with programming language like R and Python for deeper analytical capabilities. And collaboration and sharing.
Collaboration and sharing. Excel collaboration is possible but can be cumbersome, often requiring shared drives or email exchanges. Excel Online offers some collaborative features. Tableau provides robust sharing and collaboration options through Tableau Server and Tableau Online. Users can publish and share interactive dashboards with colleagues who can view and interact with them in real time.
So as we are comparing Excel and Tableau, few similarities are there, but we can say Excel it has only two modes, on or off. So Excel is a tool in which we are doing more of the data entry and transformation parts, less of the visualization. Okay, but it was all enough at that particular time in the beginning. We were having less data, like we were having small mobile in which small camera was there. That camera quality and the picture quality was in KBs. Yes or no? But nowadays we are taking a photo, it is in MBs. Yes or no? 1 minute video is in GBs. But earlier it was not. So we need to improve. So a specialized visualization tool we have taken which will handle big data, more data it can handle efficiently. So separate we have created two different tools. Getting it, everybody? So practical things will start from tomorrow as it is day one. I'm not going into much practical, but in upcoming classes, 90% will be the practical things, 10% theory. Okay, as it is the first day, if you are not yet joined also, tomorrow few people more are going to join. So today we'll keep it slow. So please read. Yes.
Scalability. Excel best suited for individual or small TPUs and for smaller datasets. Its performance can degrade with very large data volumes. Tableau scales well to large teams and organizations. It is designed to handle big data and complex data environments efficiently. Summary: Excel is best for data entry and storage, financial modeling and budgeting, simple data analysis and visualization, detailed data manipulation and calculation. Tableau is best for advanced and interactive data visualization, handling large and complex datasets, real-time data analysis and monitoring, sharing and collaboration on data results.
Yes. So see, like here in this, what we have done, quickly we have selected the data and drag and drop, our chart got created. But the same thing if I want to do in Excel, it will take more steps for me to do it. Let us suppose simply what I've done, I have taken the orders sheet, then went to the sheet, then added subcategory and sales. Okay, subcategory and sales. So subcategory versus sales I have created. There are 17 subcategory and how much sales for each subcategory has done. This relation I have created only by two things: dragging the subcategory, putting into the column, dragging the sales and putting into the rows. But the same thing if I want to do in Excel file, so let us suppose this file, I have to make it a pure table. Yes, make it as a pure table. Then I have to drag subcategory, then sales, then I have to select the data and create the pivot chart. So this many steps I have to do after opening the Excel file. Yes, minimum 5 to 6 steps I have done. Getting it, everybody? So again, after sorting, I have to click few more things. So here simply what I have done, connected the data source, drag and drop, chart is ready. Getting it, everybody? So it is little bit easy as compared to this and more specialized. Like in our mobile, for camera option, we have to click on the camera, it will open, then we have to set stabilizer and all those things. But in a special camera,
Canon camera, it will have a button, and all the other things it will try to do by itself. Picture quality and everything will be, when it is there for specialized thing, a special camera, so it can have few more features related to that particular thing. But Excel is like a mobile phone. More of thing is used for data entry, data manipulation, all these things. Additionally, we can do visualization also in there. That also limited. Like our mobile photo quality, whatever level it is good, but it will be limited, not as good as our special camera. Yes or no? It is something like that. Giving just an example. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, we'll start practical things. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.